DLFM 106.9.
Sugar, mamacita, your love the beat like a gata. You're my sugar. I see what you like, as I know what you want. Baby, come get it, baby, come get it. I will give you my life, I will give you my heart. Baby, come check it, baby, come check it. Okay, now home fan in the 90 I won't say where your hot gully, where your hot gully. Or a fresh boy to say boss share by your pot belly, and your pot belly. When I make better Nadia, won't suda, but you so day, my father. When it comes to love, I'll be godfather. Step looking near me, that dana.
DLFM 106.9.
I won't brim swam, you chinchilla. Timmy Biajo, hey Shilla. Can you mean a friend me, but see, I love to make me just a wonder. And I'm blessed to have you as my lover. Oh, my sweet vanilla, my sweet chocolate, oh, my sweet ice cream. My sweet vanilla, my sweet chocolate, oh, my sweet ice cream.
DLFM 106.9.
No love they treat me well. I thank you for your sweet girl. You the one that makes me happy. You my star, you my sunshine and my rainbow. I need it, I just feel it. I don't like it, I want it. I need it, I just feel it. I don't like it. Mamacita, your love the beat like a gata. You are my sugar. Mamacita, your love the beat like a gata. You are my sugar.
DLFM 106.9.
America minko mufo manyamen nijo minko mageni dondo rasto majimi dofu beka me yiri dada bebo meka apia swa omeda me poswa nansam keka keka tiri muna na for some tiri muka nimsa no tuni mini muma so jimi bintu me gidi na de na kuma na masto. See, I love to make me just a wonder. And I'm blessed to have you as my lover. Oh, my sweet vanilla, my sweet chocolate, oh, my sweet ice cream. Forever be.
DLFM 106.9.
This one's for the one in love. And for the one who's found that one and place no one above. I some many coppina. I worry for the more I'm a jumpina. So that was the word to me, the one tonight.
DLFM 106.9.
Zoni wa metano Uwadinde anebe kumia Mama foa kayatia Minye deni Intimido ukweo Minye deni Oh yeah Ogo Hey Missy Ogo Midena Eni ameu Hey Na Missy meu
I can't believe she's leaving. I can't believe it's already midnight. I can't believe we at the airport. I can't believe she's about to take flight. She's leaving on the jet plane and I don't know if she'll be back again, and it's driving me insane. And though I try to be your man, it's not easy for me to watch her go. Now I know today is never promised tomorrow. Oh, hey, to me I then cry. go share London with Jamie White crack. Brown him so we me soon soon ni wa me ninku mu kuma come and let me crack.
It's so hard to say bye-bye. Me do kutita bena mo baba. Matini sio.
Been in love so deep. When you think about it, you can't sleep. When you wake up, she's the air you breathe. But now, for some reason, she's got to leave. And you wish there was another way out. And it hurts so bad, like ouch. Now you have to live without her. And like Michael Bolton, you thinking how? Cause your world evolved around her. And ever since the day that you found her, you made her queen of your heart. You made her queen, you crowned.
Good morning, Ghana. Mamuna Kwaba at the Bayer Krikremu mid-morning show here on DLFM 106.9.
Place no one above.
It's the holiday version of your Krikremu mid-morning show. It's 57 past the hour 11. Me Mamuna Kwaba bet me joining me on Facebook and YouTube at DLFM 106.9. And now you're Ghana for feeder. Ghana, you're 69 years. And now you're Ghana, then your baby I will be just in this when the red, gold, green, in nails, when the blaster in nails. 69 years, Kakrabia, and Jesse Boy, 3.5 a day. If you have for the year change, I'm watching it between 50 cities last 35 and year Toby.
I can't believe she's leaving. I can't believe.
Yes, it's 3.5. They go to Nebi woman
at the airport. I can't believe she's about to take flight. She's leaving on the jet plane, and I don't know if she'll be.
And then it's all about Ghana and Ghana. Dance Bibi Bekabia, Ghana, Yen Ghana for to Bibi Bekabia, Yankasi Wadi.
Day is never promised tomorrow. Oh, hey, hey.
69 years and easy. You show your history from back then. Ebabesi and that year 26 March, 6 March 2026. Not just and that film. Ghana yakoye nimi ye papa pa 1957 ebesi 2026 abra kwame nkroma timinya ye freedom ede emaye oni ye big six just omobo mo homodin ye papa papa
been in love so deep. When you think about it, you can't sleep. When you wake up, she's the air you breathe. But now, for some reason, she's got to leave. And you wish there was another way.
And then you made the Miamede Bremoni, your friend, Adwoa Agyei Sika.
And like Michael Bolton, you thinking.
And there are more music, less talk. And ya dear Bekasabi Brebi, and they Ghana dancing, and Yumna Ghana, Yumna, and they did Diasa.
You made her queen, you crowned her. But now she's got a job offer. Decision making is tougher. You don't wanna be a selfish lover, so you gotta let her go, cause you love her.
Ghana, we are the best. We have the best artists. Like, I want to nyum ni na ya nyum ye basse clever gospel ni na Ghana nyum de number one.
This one's for the one in love, and for the one who's found that one and place no one above. I some many copina. I worry for the more I'm a chimpina. So that was the word to me the one tonight. This one is for you. Midaya si jama wako, ujame wako minye
Dana Titimia Church in Miami, the Jimaya Mido, Intiwatawukoi, Minya Deni, Midena, Zoning Wamedano, oh, I didn't Mama.
And all bet me joining me live here on Facebook, ni YouTube. Now what to me? Add your comments ni swaba. Mrebe ma making kani ni na add your mamo. And then no Ghana ni bia pesa unchia ni bia audio fani dimbra fabra comment section hono making kame chiano so add your mamo.
I can't believe she's leaving. I can't believe it's already midnight. I can't believe we at the airport. I can't believe she's about to take flight. She's leaving on the jet plane, and I don't know if she'll be back again, and it's driving me insane.
And then you bedi nkomo afa ebra yenya ye freedom no be see and there any they are expecting in the future.
Today is never promised tomorrow. Oh, hey, do we pray me a den cry? Look at London with Jamie White crack. Brown him so when him sum ni wa me ninku kuma come let me cry.
It's so hard to say bye-bye. Me don't crazy tabe na baba. Martin is so
Emra ya do di ani ekoji aboa frankra to etimi aba. Jimedia ye di so ma me so ya se anke ntimi FM bremo. There was a Timmy Bomb, you may call so dero at the Mao. And you were feeding no and fan free Hanum.
Have you ever been in love so deep? When you think about it, you can't sleep. When you wake up,
ya kwa by your buyer, then come to training na at the Bebremo, and you were feeding no and free.
Don't touch this dial. Keep it locked right here on DLFM 106.9. We will be right back.
Don't touch this dial. Keep it locked right here on DLFM 106.9. We will be right back.
Give us pea capsules. Give it to me, baby. Give us core capsules as well. And man, me nyina koko yade. Sisi yade amama nya yem timotete womo no. Yedro no manumbi amama de me ho. Give us core capsules. Mrs. Moye ding. Give us core capsules. I give it to you, baby. You give it to me. Oh yeah. Hey. Give us no. Amen ni jia bebusia mu papa. Na bema ka give us pea capsules. And ni give us core capsules bomu nom dia. Na eni jeni ahoden no. Wa brudo. Give us pea capsules. And men na wadi infedu watwede kronkwan na efa. Give us core capsules. Apemfo abatan wo mo manufo ne nkwada wo ne infedu mienu nka ho. E wo drugstore bia motofo nko Give us herbal center. Teshi mobile. And na teshi aduami. Phone numbers 0543 222 470 and 050 68
FD Ashusha Sa Ejedi Enkrato Imu Ajiatu. Freedom is here. Ghana, let's jubilate this independence. Lumba brings you the Independence Weekend vibe. 3 days back-to-back showdown from Friday 6th March to Sunday the 8th of March 2026. 6th March is a throwback jam. We take you back to the Y2K edition. Old school hits, classic jams, and non-stop vibes. With all the dope DJs on the decks, DJ Alien, DJ La Posta, DJ Bredash, DJ Vibes, and DJ Trillium. And your hype MCs are heavy and Her Excellency. Time is 7 p.m. sharp. Now on Saturday the 7th of March is when you feel the rhythm of Ghana with a hip live band session. Come and enjoy live play of all the hottest hits from the 2000s up till date with the Chrome Band. Sunday the 8th of March is the Independence Shrinkwan special at 10 a.m. where we're going to be enjoying all the local delicacies, and at 6 p.m. the showdown continues with the Bog and Western hip live music. Remember that there's a food bazaar that will be available all 3 nights.
Official media partner, DL 106.9.
This year's Independence is all about good music, good food, and good location. Chrome Pub is the place where all the vibe lives.
Mema etiefo nyina akwa ababa Amuzu Herbal Clinic na ye de dobia ba ye frɛ no Amuzu Garlic Bitters eyedura emamoje die fusane ewo nipadua no mu eyedura ebua ma obia ne pressure ewo soro eba fom pa obi so a otie mi a wadro srade aboro so obehia Amuzu Garlic Bitters. Amuzu Garlic Bitters prevent numbness so obi se mensa anasa minan 83 nedro eye Amuzu Garlic Bitters. Amuzu Garlic Bitters controls urine flow. Die odun so bebre anaso so basa no onye Amuzu Garlic no mu a emesote kura. Amuzu Garlic Bitters prevent sciatic pains. Obi say doctor me to ase twetwe me unya Amuzu Garlic no mu atu edi. Amuzu Garlic Bitters is good for stroke patient. Obi anya stroke, obu a stroke na bone nkaye. Unya Amuzu Garlic no mu atu edi. Sa medre na sofu bi anya stroke for years. What thought wa menu panom. I na wetimi asore ananti waka. Amuzu Garlic Bitters boost the immune system and fight infections. Se utie me na se uyo chembewu yare biya ba bekrawa. Kopa Amuzu Garlic no mu en ne mo ho ye dene. Na kutie nyarewa. Amuzu Garlic Bitters prevent body weakness. Obu ha ahomre woni so. Amuzu Garlic Bitters dilate the arteries ebiabia intinimu mamoja ediefusani yie pa. Amuzu Garlic Bitters support the pancreas. Amuzu Garlic no pancreas ho ya de ne modidi a ekotwetwe sugar na glucose na mu no me so te mass sugar eba normal. Amuzu Garlic Bitters improves vision. Obu ho a ne pressure was with man de hunu wo form. Onya Amuzu Garlic no mo bua ma friends woni na eye wisi no we hu ade yie pa. Amuzu Garlic Bitters prevent palpitation. Nipa bia home ban sese home no wosuru bebre sa kope Amuzu Garlic nenom. Amuzu Garlic Bitters prevent insomnia. Obu ha obre panse wada ye frade bi zinc ene sulfur ye rich Amuzu Garlic mu ye kogu mu a na mabody ne home na home bo se nche na wada enti de na ho ade ma no kope Amuzu Garlic Bitters nenom. Amuzu Garlic Bitters is rich in allicin and selenium, which helps improve blood circulation on the male sex organ. Inti bema osi oda humachi antini bema nkano. Kopa Amuzu Garlic no mwe. Nemo jeni die fusane enko bema no hunadechi ya watini nka. Amuzu Garlic Bitters is rich in agioni. Ena musa agioni ninti. Ebo ema awodi akwa no ho ban ema sebuo ema kosu atuo nyina no emoni nyina kosu kama enti oba obuni se a embe yie wo be hia Amuzu Garlic Bitters oba on person na wo eti kosu hia Amuzu Garlic Bitters uko drugstore pharmacy anase herbal shop biara wo benye bi ato wo pedro se mi se bi nso a no afra mi nama eye 0247 776743 0247 77 67 43. Amuzu Herbal Clinic, Mauji Hiochalo.
Freedom is here. Ghana, let's jubilate this independence. Lumba brings you the Independence Weekend Vibe. 3 days back-to-back showdown from Friday 6th March to Sunday the 8th of March 2026. 6th March is a throwback jam. We take you back to the Y2K and dancing. Old school hits, classic jams, and non-stop vibes. With all the dope DJs on the decks, DJ Alien, DJ La Posta, DJ Bredash, DJ Vibes, and DJ Trillium. And your hype MCs are heavy and her excellency. Time is 7 p.m. sharp. Now on Saturday the 7th of March is when you feel the rhythm of Ghana with a hip live band session. Come and enjoy live play of all the hottest hits from the 2000s up till date with the Chrome Band. Sunday the 8th of March is the Independence Shrinkwan Special at 10 a.m. where we're going to be enjoying all the local delicacies, and at 6 p.m. the showdown continues with the Bog and Western hip live music. Remember that there's a food bazaar that will be available all 3 nights.
Official media partner DL 106.9.
This year's Independence is all about good music, good food, and good location. Chrome Pub is the place where all the vibe lives.
Minia, Femnewaso, any umre kakra, Namenka, Diofosu Plaza Hotels, one 71 trail, Sawo Pebe meetings, and our conferences are anyhow because Diofosu Plaza Hotels, a very spacious conference halls are a state of the art. Se a comdeal, now Pebe, ya, Ubenya Diania, and what de Nemo Sham na Pomudi Womwedi, and now Ope and Sapapa, betray Abojunsa, ya, so Bogo Minasia, Nipe Diamunina, by your form, Anum dia, Measure baby, said Diofosu Plaza Bar and Restaurant. There was swimming pool, gym center, salon, ya, a memma, and a man to Missy one trini, our hall, a fair modern event center, yeah, very spacious with a beautiful environment into musical shows, weddings, christenings, parties, and all your refreshment programs. We've got you covered. Memory fee, weekend piano, live band music, yeah, Mikawum, neighbor Sheku, Amoniaje, Echegusa, oh, the Ofosu Event Center, the Ofosu Plaza Hotels, dear, Dime Papa, in the Padem, dear, Buso, into Saope Hotel accommodation with a serene environment, yeah, Ubenya was soon dia, ya Bia Punama, a fair 1-bedroom, and a 2-bedroom apartment, yeah, Ubetamini Wabusia, a betnum for a limited period, a fair the Ofosu Plaza Hotel, a traquine, a walk, a botan so, and ya teachum, ya Nina, a Kofoidia, a brin so, Buhuyan Wahirase, and a fire service station, no, in a dish anymore, so qua denta, your frafraha, Ubetami a frayan, or Mayiso, 0530458834, na 0207979461, email info@diofosuplazahotel.com, website www.diofosuplazahotel.com. Diofosu Plaza Hotels, where luxury meets comfort.
You are listening to your #1 radio station, playing all the hit songs and more on DLFM 106.9. On DLFM 106.9.
Na mi mamu akwaba. Mungina edibadi DLFM.
Tunesloaded.com.
DLFM 106.9.
Ladies and gentlemen, baby, only you. Got too much in make a release. Energy, and you, police, tango police. Waiting man, you see. Forget it all they are telling you. Cause I can do better than they do for you. I can do better than they do for you. I can do better than they do for you. I can do better than they do for you. When you pull up in the Balenciaga, get on the dance floor, do your thing, baby. Pull up in the Balenciaga, get on the dance floor, do your thing, baby. I'm not gonna disappoint you.
DLFM 106.9.
For the battle, I go shower you with love. They body like a tattoo. Tell us with the fight too. Make a hammer you last too, yeah. Cause I can do better than they do for you. I can do better than they do for you. I can do better than they do. I can do better. I can do better than they do for you. When you pull up in a Balenciaga, get on the dance floor, do your thing, baby. Pull up in a Balenciaga, get on the dance floor, do your thing.
Home of legends and great music. 106.9. 106.9.
Stand up, Kara. Fine girls there, show me dollar. And if I get rich like Kofi Abba, no comma, full stop, no sentence, no sentence. Your eye go paying you if you no get less, if you no get less, no get less. Stay far away from me. I see a pen and me the sweetness. Agyei
DLFM 106.9.
No careless, stay far away from me. I see a pen and me the sweetness again. We the collecting them the shiva again. The super no fit as my super again. Fine, fine girl we bombas again. I see a pen and me the sweetness again. We the collecting them the shiva again. The super no fit as my super again. Fine, fine girl we bombas again.
DLFM 106.9.
Life is too short, I know if you waste time, oh. When they up at this, why on not they sleep, make you wake up, oh. Who they call me, if you know the party, call me later, oh. If your girlfriend no go, call your side chick, it makes a link up, oh. As I'm on a Samanti buffet, and I will cook your cake. Fine girls, yeah, what she say, yeah. On your champagne, you'll go where man can't jam crime and payment, yeah, le party, in the Yijabia. I'm a Mayalan, I'm a damn jump. On the bottom of 2:30 in a move, Mayalan, I'm a damn jump. Bialing too fast, I'm a Mayalan, I'm a damn jump. Party after party, Mayalan, I'm a damn jump. We move, all move.
Enjoy your life because problem is not the finish. Leave me make I chop life, I no speaking for English. Brother, I know lazy. I work hard for this life. So I go chop on like party jollof, eh. Me and me mademoiselle, yeah. Like Obama and Michelle, yeah. We go they do very well, yeah. We go they chop on well. Champagne is just for the pain, yeah. I'm about to make it train, yeah. Give enemy skin pain. I wanna do this again. As you can see, everything pep. No be lie, sweet, yeah. Hey, pep and fair, I tell you. Oh yeah, baby, oh la muchacha. Kofi Kinata, Patorankin and Sisi Nene.
I'm a Mayalan, I'm a damn jump. On the bottom of 2:30 in a move, I'm a Mayalan, I'm a damn jump. Bialing too fast, I'm a Mayalan, I'm a damn jump. Party after party, Mayalan, I'm a damn jump. We move, all move, some man give me you are nobody. Who come enjoy my life for me? Baby, come and shake body. My young party money or no money. Come and give me you want nobody. Who come enjoy my life for me? Baby, come and shake body. My young party money or no money. It's Mama Mindibiana. I'll catch up. What's that? Mama Mindibiana. Osha free Jimo. No, so Mama no mana. So not you.
DLFM 106.9.
I'm a damn jump. On the bottom of 2:30 in a move, I'm a damn jump. Bialing too fast, I'm a damn jump. Party after party, I'm a damn jump. We move, all move. You know one, my one, my one shake. You know one, my one, my one shake.
DLFM 106.9.
Home of legends and great music. 106.9.
Spiritually untouchable. Maybe I'm a empire, no, now won't come. Intimacy, but would you not say, Wumpa? The mammy can miss Inti, Jamin, I'm in your madia. Yeah, what do you know in your madia? Jamin, I'm in your madia. The mammy can miss Jamin, I'm in your madia. Yeah, what do you know in your madia? Jamin, I'm in your madia. The mammy can miss I am drowning in a grace so bad man can't kill my hope. Obey me, touching the God visit and my home. If you are pretty, Obian Janyona Minga Madia, baby, cricket the soldier. I don't call the game is not over. Hey, the Viera sober, so when you're in my dress a soldier. Spiritually untouchable. Me bomb empire no na won't come. Intimacy ba woodium na se wumpa. The mama pemesa. Inti jamin na me nyamadi. Ya wadi ya na me nyamadi. Jamin na me nyamadi. The mama pemesa. Jamin na me nyamadi. Ya wadi ya na me nyamadi. Jamin na me nyamadi. The mama pemesa.
Charlie, I know I'm a sinner. Send to me, I've got no redeemer. I dare to be a penny seeker. Do I been to them and I'm a mena? But I think who feels it, no sit better. Men I'm a real one, me pessica. The beans are so can't tell me right now. I ride him, I'm a many moons. Charlie, I know I'm a sinner. Send to me, I've got no redeemer. I dare to be a penny seeker. Do I been to them and I'm a mena? But I think so me move, now the papa didn't pump it.
Welcome back from that quick commercial break. I feel you are joining your DLFM 106.9 your Kremu mid-morning show. Where your holiday edition. A 22 minutes past the hour 12. And to the Mamuni now, good afternoon. And happy Independence Day to Ghana, to everyone, Ghanaian. Happy Independence Day to us. And then Ghana, and 69 years. A 1957, ABC 2026. Ghana nyini ye papa papa me bo me pa ye no na won kan nene dia sama me bisa ne se me ma me pemesa inti wow bo konkon ko hwe wachi ba bia Ghana fresh se ya bedu no jamin na me nyamade emre be ma mema wa friend watimi so achia wadofo ene o wish obi a independence wadofo bia person wish ni bia wi ane wa ma me expectation a wo hwe nim se da chi bi no Ekoba se Ghana enya 70 years a we expectation a wo hwe se eye Ghana so ne betimi aye sempunto na person brem bibi biara wo expect se Ghana benya 70 years ni yenya no watimi aka na answer no se independence de mehu se bi mo aba brochefo ni bi aba ebi nsom tututu kwan no ma be fie spiritually untouchable me bo me pa elintunu be hia nsu a wo betimi e de asom wom a wo mani be gi no mehu se independence day yo mo be fie enya ade abusuafo ejeje omkwa Elintina American for Lumba super Ediama super papa dia fan fidie masono sokroje ye de mani peduano na FDA so agia tumu se eye so penny dodo to obetimi afren penny 05449 889685 Samson abetimi afren 0549 436 616
I know I'm a sinner. Send to me, I've got
Okoda Suma in important Madam Abanyamiche, a so distributor our home. Our adjacent Lumba spot appear to slade. Bet me from Madam Abanyamiche was 0557 349 401. Mama Vigwa fan call spot our adjacent on Yunasu Washing Bay. Friend was 0500680783. Bra Kwame Wada Common Circle Station Obayadom Choba Fred Bra Kwame was 0244094793. Madam Midit could see Ewodowenyo was Central Aye University. Friend was 0246601004. And 0266400215. Nana Sexual Pokwasi Odumasio was satisfied water depo no Eben government school no. Friend was 0592317481. Auntie Emilia Watama Community 4 was a king D joint. Friend was 0540423201. And 0574761396. I am drowning in a grace so bad man can't come my home. A stroke and a hair hypertension and answer malaria. Syphilis, infertility and infection be and a how they are. Dr. Amponsa Herbal Hospital Eton in Sa Edia Fro Bibiara. yare no aye krankro e wo so na enko de bomodi asode wani be kira ye Dr. Mponsa Herbal Hospital. Our Sprinters Coastal Bus Stop. Omuye ejuma Monday to Friday into today is person ko bia no betimi akohu eye Dr. Mponsa Herbal Hospital for sane be yon betimi asa yare. Now open enquiries be able to me after 0278599611 and 0243110875. And there a Independence Day into Chrome Pop in collaboration with a DLFM. At the 3 days back-to-back events at the Bremo. Nenda a seat match na yade a throwback jam ebe koso sanso na Y2K edition. DJ Sebeye Juma a DJ Hitman, DJ Alien, DJ Bridash, DJ La Posta, DJ Trillion, sanso na DJ Vibes, Foster the Boss a player. MC Snesu ya MC Heavy, MC Big CD, Katuzo ni nanama foswen na ejinejinemu. Day 2 non so a year hip life, a year experience because to live band and your 7th March no. A year strictly Ghanaian hip life music. Day 3 no year 8th March and upon no do not just independence Enquires special no air coso. And no Siana Bogan Western highlife night and su etu a DJ Ziggy any DJ or Marion and a bebonyum no ede amamo. Side attraction in your food bazaar sounds na old school dancing competition na a year Jumedia way a sound masters and up a sponsor. Spiritually untouchable. Na make a chrome pop money a year DLFM collaboration. Enuntini ye back of far a DJ Ziggy e wo honum ni hook de ma e koso e wo honum sese. Jamin na menya madie le mama temesa. Jamin na menya madie ya wadi na menya madie. Jamin na menya madie le mama temesa. I am drowning in a grace so bad man can't kill my hope. Obey me touching a God visit on my home. If you are pretty, Obienjan, you're not my dear. Baby, break it the soldier. I don't call the game is not over. Hey, baby, you're sober. So when you're down my yard, rest a soldier. Spiritually untouchable. Maybe I'm a fire, no, now come. It's Yanni, a DJ Ziggy B. I bet your train come on. DJ Ziggy B, I bet you come on. Hello, DJ Ziggy B.
Hello, Adwoa Agyei Sika.
Meton Kapa. DJ Ziggy B, I bet you come on.
Who Juma Pound?
Also, where Juma say, hello, DJ Ziggy B. On and Ampa, who wear Juma Cassia. Hello,
I say, baby, I know you baby.
Oh, one you need, Papa. So, where you must say, hello, DJ, no, on and Ampa, who wear you make us here. Hello, okay.
Adwoa Agyei Sika.
Meton Bismarck. Good afternoon.
I say a DL1069.
Okay.
And then the other PM or Tama Committee 80 dia. Juma dia change nature. Now what you mean Yabon de Runo. A jebo, a Jenya Bedu. Ube PM El Chrome Pub dia Massa. One Mahadianese, a come here say Independence holiday no. Winji when you cry. Now, Adwoa, Menoka say no, Mensaka, Mr. Vincent. Club beer for 1 penny for Bakua. Mepe say and then betchen come back me and Sabi. Now for Yababa. Adwoa. Mr. Vincent, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Memo Aqua Baba Dia 1069.
Medase.
And you be PM more chrome pub and we say venue no ya decorating in our club beer. Now ye bisa say sure no na can him tell chrome pub for nenya. E wan say na club beer monso mode montuma bebano.
Okay, near TN say chrome pub akoye pub kese bia owo tema. A lot of consumers, a club consumers etaba hanom ebefa omo club beer and I say ombenum omo club beer wa ha. And then so akoye Ghana Independence Day club and so Ghana's #1 club beer. The only authentic true Ghanaian beer no. Yeah, adwin say sadia ye ne krom ebe partner na ye nyina ya celebrate Ghana's Independence Day no. As I say club there say oka Ghana beer nyina eno na ete so. Eno so ena eye Ghana yankasa yen beer eye originated from Ghana hanom. Into of course se Ghana is celebrating the Independence Day there. Untumi yi club beer enfim. Into eno ene ye adwin say sadia ye ne krom ebe partner na omo tema nyina no ya momo enije throughout in there ochina ekosi Sunday.
Mr. Vincent, mi musa ena akoye Independence Day Ghana ni bia ejinani no. Se se obepie mo kompa ba club bia no mo tete so. Anasi ye benum ni free I'm just ne kakra.
Okay, said there etienne say in there akoye a very big celebration day for Ghana no. Yen so ya ba say ye be partner Chrome Pub into club beer no ya tete so kama enye the ordinary day prizes na unya no enye sakra in there ya tete so kama and apart from that so no your loyalty rewards ema yen loyal consumers no auto club beer you stand a chance of winning t-shirts cap key holder and some other souvenirs including even free beer into na and they account ho yeah they rewarding and loyal consumers our club Chrome Pub in there.
Oh, okay. Nice. A special package.
Sure.
Emma Club consumers.
Of course.
Mr. Vincent, better was say. Now, Yawaha, I'm sure a dear 106. And you know, I share boom. And Team Commano, the Beba Chibiano.
And we are welcoming all consumers in Tema to come around and have fun with Ghana's original and authentic club beer. Thank you.
Yeah, that's it. Eti Adwoa, what you mean? Can any Mr. Vincent and a Dean Commano club beer for 24 back home? And I need Dean Commano. Timmy Jem, Adama Ziggy P. Ziggy obey.
Adwoa. Bismarck answer na obekono mami embisa o nsemba kumienu bi na one club beer for ana twetwe nkomo sesei no. Na yenya yewo studio no packages ni yebenya ye de ana.
Adwoa unya nda age de.
Hey, Bismarck.
What 18? Adwoa what 18 na mi busa.
Bismarck what is saying? Say who the 18 na me so me the 18 but what did you me so me di?
Mate eti unya club ya ni bi apon.
Packages say me need DJ Maria ne Belinda ya ne aka wo studio. Na packages bi ko so na say momre ye bi dia asem anye na ma anya ade o.
Yo Adwoa men so club ya ne ade bi beba why?
Matthias say na flame condoms
na. Adwoa
na.
before say meje mama zigibi no yenya mpanifo bi e wo krompa ba na say ene de ye kan Independence Day celebration menya sure say obia so celebrate as mpanifo ya mensa come why. Amanya ni tie say tema assemblymen mo tema nti Adwoa no mo ni komo akra na afei yemra studio na mo to aso Mr. Man, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Penny.
Pacho yema akwa baba dia 10609.
Okay, yeah ja na yenua.
Where them batu ya Chrome Pub and then so akwale that sonko de Ghana Independence Day celebration no. Mami Musa say na mudi na nei.
Oh, nyame adom afi we Independence Day no. Aye sonko sinde bia cause me hu da Independence Day pressure ba even common Ghana jersey. Pressure ba do a short. Nti afi we dey di ni yie pa. Ti sese na okan no ya ye waka nyina ye tema metro assembly members. Nti ya ye ti na obi aye honorable small honorable. And I last 2 days ina ye let ye new presiding member your friend is short say PM as a speaker of parliament yen ye di no ya na ye let ye. Nti ya wie ye 6 March na say oh ye fa krompa na impeka krebi enwo ya no anything I aba ha no
na bi the way amodo so say mo fa bebre because Chrome Pub dey oba venue of attraction bi bia bi koso
na me nim say ha ye fesa na imano so jemu ye ba
yes
bi ba ye ba mo dia no so jemu ye
enti honorable na di baby girl so nkomo sa no enti honorable ye bi
enti be patcho special aid to the mayor so ha odo so be kasa
mate enti special aid to the mayor aja good afternoon patcho udino
your friend me patcho mami senior ankasansa
senior ankasa nwe and yam pass mic no and come senior no deputy PM. Oh, okay. Enti no. Yes, sir. Deputy presiding member. And so, Honorable, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Me cheche Bibia.
Bibia so just where I Mr. Bebo Dinamai. Now you think come akra.
Okay, me the Baba Tunde.
Baba Tunde. And Baba Tunde ma kwa Baba Dia 10609. And now kwa mafofida edas no kode ma my konkron Ghana me hwe senia. Wa hwehwe ato su fugu ne wo chene ade ade a. Na say independence day no deeper. Na and level net say wo di ne say.
Oh, they di kan ya asidaba yankopon. In the sense that any obi an enya ni say ohwa isi e kasa kora bi da hospital bi su se bi omo chere nti first of all say ya da na ase let us biom in the baby edu no e say ye ko enim say na me bra kan no ye man peni o promote there e say ye share the HCAD in terms of your culture the way we live isi obi a shefugo as efe Ghana jesi ndra me kwa akra bi pe bi atom 2.5 one way or the other, it's kind of bad. I stay on my name, which is a very good part. That may catch community members that may catch Obibia and say, in Bemon most especially, Edding, but I need the man. At the end of the day, you be cry, a beboa. That makes me at that one, Kakari.
Grandpa, so there about the BBA and don't pay piano on Sans Betimiaka. And Baba Tunde, Honorable Anna Yatin, can deputy PM Anna Yanin Dinko, Honorable Bakonso so Ewaha. Honorable, good afternoon. Akwa Baba Dia 10609.
Good afternoon.
Pacho Udino.
Your friend me, Honorable Evangelist Franklin Kweku Gosway. Ashiboy Assembly member and aide to the mayor.
Honorable, no, Honorable Nelantino Sano. Honorable, I know Independence Day. Maybe
as I said, me honorable, no, me say yourself.
Oh, okay. And Independence Day celebration.
Me na ya me bon paema honorable members ni nyina.
Oh, okay. Eti very atiawa. Independence Day no na dey send your table na set wa dey say. Honorable so be pint wa. Mama musa kwan be so na mudi Independence Day.
In fact, yeah presiding member elections ye nche ye. And they aba ha no ye ba bedi no ve. Ye bedi no kakra kra ye ba bedi no ye ba gi eni ankasa especially ebra ye deputy PM ewa ha say no. Because of now, and then Independence Day, I think we are stepping into 70 as a nation, and I think from where I sit, the nation is moving in the right direction. The reset agenda is working, and kudos to also the Honorable Mayor of Tema, Honorable Ibi Bright, Ejuma Bibria Oye, Ejuma Kesia Oye, with the support of Honorable members, Tema, Enyani transformation.
Honorable Yana Wasi, Enti, Adwoa.
Yes, ma'am.
This is our last question.
Hello, Bismarck.
Adwoa Moa.
Me ba cha be emra ye dui na me bisa se flame condoms na bi wo ho ana.
Oh, Adwoa se me bo anke azenka. Adwoa
E was se me bisa, e was se e ho hia.
Hey, Adwoa.
Flame condoms e bi wo ho ana, and na your holiday. It's Sunday holiday, you been long holiday, a Friday, Saturday, Sunday. It's in the flame condoms, na who be yasi a benya bi.
Honorable Baku, also be Yanunti, but you do Dima Tuja. Now, where you question, Nano, and the Adwoa flame condom is why.
Okay.
But your friend, Honorable Francis Mensa Nomeshi, known as Mensa Otabel.
Okay, Honorable.
Electoral area, Tema Newtown.
Oh, okay.
Newtown.
Yes, please.
Well, Honorable Mimusa, I'm a PMO Crompa, feeling no at the same. Honorable Mimusa, a PMO, feeling it is saying.
Oh, a demo, feeling it demo clean. To be honest with you, yeah, but Metaba Crompa. But it's been a long time since I come to Chrome. But and now Meba has said me to me, say, Chroma Kunini, set up Nino Mano, a do trim. I call say, Bema be Muma. What I say, FSC or Baby Tico.
Eti Adwoa, honorable members, Teman, Edin Comano. Edu bisa chrome condom, flame condom. Honorable Sabano, music. Do na so worry, do na so na worry. Eti condom brother Kasa. Eti Adwoa condom brother Kasa wow.
Oh, hello. Hello.
Yeah, hi, mommy.
Me pacho, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, mommy.
Me pacho say no na flame condom asam na make me be some tie for ni so ye wo studio ha no. It says say ade benya bia na.
company nankasa memede.
Oh, okay.
What company memede. And only problem only how cry.
It's expected.
Ebinu wo how ma ware nti omo de. Omo nkofie nkodi omo yire moduane. What you say? But my brother Bako ha your friend Honorable Enoch Afutu Kote. Ono de ope pa nti package amano. Any head to the mayor no. You head to the mayor no on wale ye. Nti ye pese package mano. Ne de a chrome package or the bibesha ni nine, the bibesha ni tea.
Baby,
feeling woman pa.
Yes, I was studio. Yes, expected delivery na.
Yeah. Men's mudi ebe come on.
When you bring flame economy,
medical actually must say a long holiday, a Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Say me mama ni has say nanka me mama na buy. Ono so ye honorable member ba oko.
Okay.
But on more serious note, menkwa na ma set record. Me na me honorable member, me ma me nyina ye assembly members ewo assembly hall. Ensida, yeah.
Okay, Bismarck.
Ebo.
Bismarck. Hello, Bismarck.
Adwoa, ready flame condom. No kasa na ne kasa.
Ai, till the mess delivery.
Lady wa come pap CEO. Otua manukunu. They done. Bra Kofi wa yane no ending komaka. Bra Kofi. Ene de. Adwoa only Bra Kofi kasa. Why?
Hello, Bra Kofi.
Adwoa mi chiao.
Good afternoon. Me pacho boko de.
You are dom na unso.
Pacho nyame adom. Na sese no dwumade na ekosen.
Adwoa bibi asset.
Ye de nyame ase.
Ndo na jobe 12 de ewie bibia.
Oh, okay.
Twema unse. Ubitimi kra be transfer start rebi.
Me a mi jiwudi ekoba se program se ekoso dia na chese wo ye active.
What you say?
Nti mi jiwudi and ya pon so ye so ye be fa honom ne ya be hwese ne niema sifa ekọ.
We twa
ni abeboa.
O se edi asade mu edin.
What you say? Bra Kofi me da say.
Me da say Adwoa.
Hello Bismarck. Okay.
Iti Adwoa.
DJ Ziggy.
Baby, I doing the Yafamu time, baby, move on time. If crossover now, money, Matthew for Casano. No, no, the air catcher, Adwoa Agyei DLFM, and say, send your show, my boss, say, Independence Day, and you have a year. Old school bash no e chrome pap no and then you mre and efiti ase and then you mre no baby a wo bia no committee 1 to committee 25 no baby e say wo ba e chrome pap because we heard the way I set up no gumu hana the way honorable members so term wo ha erade nya easy dem mo kondom ne de me show bo so wo san kan na Bismarck e yusu nti me show bo no wo san kan Bismarck we yusu kondom no e wa
osrompo
nti Bismarck on pe ho asema Adwoa kondom no
Adwoa me de bra obi ani ne be yusu de.
Na wo Bismarck wo obi ani ne be yusu de.
Ene mi no obi se nka wo be
yusu. Enti no ni e bia me ne wo be yusu mensuro.
Adwoa Agyei Sika pa.
Let us DJ Ziggy B and Bismarck and you say man be.
DLFM 106.9.
Loving you is a crime, then I want to be a felony. I go there do the time, and I want nobody bailing me. Your love would be me, your love would sweet to me, passasana. Unkwana mi fo, unkwana mi do, and I cannot deny it. All of my love for you. I can never want you. I cannot deny it. All of my love for you. I can never want you.
In Nupani be and Famamo. Sour premature ejaculation and answer weakness in sperm. Say infertility and I want your back or them I want to me and boy Jumaye. Sexual weakness, say be ma before body na pie no akobo ne ho ka na wo be pon no akosi ni wane junction so de na che say onye be ma mu wo ye be ma de na wo so utimi ebo adwuma ye intima on sanka give us speak up so ni bi se ne be ya betimi anonom Saudi usisi na ya wo ya se koko na ha wana sa ye mutim. Ma wansanka give us cold capsules nibi. Ubetimi afa give us cold capsules any P capsules no abom sane ebe ye betimi abo adwuma ye ewo ni peduane. So we immune system nim ana enko ye o person immune system ne timi bu adwuma ye. Sa malaria na ha wana sa typhoid. Jaundice and asa would you do favorite food ebesi weni ma nya dia wutimi the loss of appetite. Make can forgive us herbal mixture at the amount. So rashes and gugu who de driba jolly crana hunina ekeka menstrual pains, but some may be so near the whole aya calendar. Make can forgive us GC mixture and capsules at the amount. Na give us in pay and bambonton so a chain 2 penny do it so I'll bet to me a friend penny forward 0543 222 470.
Then I want to be a felony. I go there do the time.
Midima for herbal clinic so far ya ni na bed down normal for time and fan to so.
That's sweet to me pasasana.
Say yo sisi na yo ya say stroke say infertility a wo se wuntimi nwo. Ya we bia how bia midima for herbal clinic e to mo sa e dia frel. Omo opoko ase mayira du poko ase o de kasa ope mayira ka o de oba ko se midima for herbal clinic. No metimi asa ya yo the time e beto so e dia ma. Obetimi afre midima for herbal clinic e was 0244 774282. And 0500 727215. Yanking kind more messages nibi our Facebook. Way free Bernard Owusu and Son. I say happy Independence Day to my family, Hannah Owusu and Son. Sewa Koto Pokua Dentra any a free year. Amuna ewa abase choba no ewa dansuma Ebenezer down. Asante Emmanuel say good afternoon my dear lovely sister. I'm watching you live from Achimota Mile 7. I'm enjoying the holiday inside my house. Greetings goes to Accra Medical Center workers. Nacho said Jumaye for more Accra Medical Center na Asante Emmanuel din Chakasia El Kwamamu. Nanajua Ewusi esi name please. Good afternoon. Good afternoon Nanajua. I said this is Adwoa Vic from Ashaiman Newland. I see check a young comma precious fans of Dio Fonina. Sanso and a fear phone na ni teach you and Mark Cassandra.
So don't pay me for you. No years that tomorrow. Somebody else gonna pay you for you. They do me lomo. This thing not be normal. Me no want to do more. Please don't give me trouble. You get do me lomo. This thing not be normal.
DLFM 106.9.
Sana mefa course no. Mefa happy birthday kasi away and koma ya. Oh no ewo tutu akuapem. We free DJ Afiba honom ano say ene day ya e birthday uwo tutu akuapem. Ose Nyankopon enhia wo ana onye okese omo abrabo nyina enye nije sonko enfema o. It's a happy birthday, Cassia, and come ya uwo tutu akuapem. Birthday this so kwama nanama Ruby. We see you at the marriage mark Ventures. And you were Jankama akuapem. When so free DJ Afiba ho and us happy birthday Cassia and come nanama Ruby. And their brofono they were sure be ye papa. I say I pray for God's divine protection, blessings, joy, and many more upon your life as you celebrate your day today. May you be blessed abundantly. Enjoy your day, Nanama from Nanakwa Benakwesi Eyetufuhine. Ede Majankama Akuapem. It's Nanama Ruby. Happy birthday, Cassia and Koma Nyankopon and Bon Hobai. Only will free Adumo and Quadumo. No show sanu adwuma nyina. We adwuma no customers ebeba. Mpa ibo nyina Nyankopon ebetie e de ama o.
And I know you well, and I will do anything that you wish. Me share my love, so don't pay me for it. No years that you
Near this to be and so kwama message Jennifer a year botche abebio.
this thing not be no man.
Edino a message Jennifer Boache abebio wa Amsterdam or Netherlands. Where every say kwame papa bi. Or Amsterdam, Holland. It's a message Jennifer Boache abebio.
Bring it on, what is on your mind?
Our Amsterdam, happy birthday, Cassia, Kwama way, every say Kwame Papa B.
When I'm right here, you and I together, so we go together, see me pose no be.
Yanko Pon Shroud, now on your Cassia. Say Kwame Papa B said, although ye Papa Pene, a yawa would day, dear, not your kind of say, Yanko Pon you and Fradumu and call Adumu.
Diamond rings in your body, darling, come find me.
Oh, you did do me.
Abbas Austin, Eddie Abanos, hey love, you are doing great, keep it up. I'm 49 Nana, Tema West Community 23. 49 me jidi se krom pap no obekobi. Say emra ye do no. Na chese me ba be fa course no. Ofra na chese wa we she wadofo bi Independence Day we wa ma me expectation na wo hwa nim sansa na Ghana benya 70 years no na yetimi a achieve.
When you looking at me, please don't stop. I'm a demon that you need, guys.
Numbers in here 0534050199.
Say I mean, don't get shy.
And 0593406565.
Now be on my side. Hey, sorry, please leave my side, man. Phone don't stop ringing, and now my friends are banging.
Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Papa.
Beba Chodini, baby, Afrefi.
Oh, my black beauty, my everything, my only sister on radio. Great to have it on time.
Great to have him back on me too.
Sikapa, now I promise to say.
Nyamia do more now, swear.
Oh, Nyamia do more. Me too, Nkasi, I know me near.
But I say.
All right. The Edikano, me ma Ghana happy independence. Now, I'm going to say, said the Ghana to say, we're 69 years, you know. Say Ghana co pension anisa ye be sra ne say afisi say Ghana be 17 years na ye jai say ye ko nkokwa man so ko sra de no na yankata yes me ye bibi sikapa yes say o my ye 67 and 69 years match is important to me yo match is keke ye to me ye bia nkokwa man so na ye ko sra de
me that say
ye penny for no o mo hwe ni ye.
Me that secret you have.
Your friend have like Jaule. Only like yours. Omo biku no so mu kukuro mu masina abaye krum pub. La jos only wala ino mu so mu ba krum pub. Na am pay be.
Okay, me that say.
Looking fresh and pretty.
Hello, good afternoon. Hello.
Good afternoon.
Me Chodini, baby, Afrefi.
From could make a station.
Okay, Pacho meet you.
When you the hour can I papa, I know the penny for the plan.
Dabi.
Or more planning we can see on by Yamagana and Nima at. And you know, your one pies is up and no more plan. And it's to be on more planning via emblem.
Okay, me that say. Master P, add the messages number. Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Maybe I told you, baby, I can say free.
John was me from Tema alias Aputo.
Okay, maybe I show me too.
Never sound my family, papa.
Amen.
Then I'm here who, second on your 69 years. Nipa 70 years, no kaka ever over time. Now, me bomb pie money, me no fa 24 of Bonnie Chom. Now, 8 years, GTP, anyway, we were home. Liver Brothers for their age, but friends say, still West. Oh, some companies can say Kaiser Flat, Kaiser, anyway, food complex. Nina go. Some companies go say at least omutimi by this year there so mutimi money to cry edwuma masa kebe na be fa ne tuma fafla here Kwame Nkrumah onu no sata na 6 million but your company na me body ni nyina Kwame Nkrumah obedient to was say that ye de be edwuma sa company ni am we those days what ba hu pass net to twem ni nyina say me pompa e magana ne Ghana ma penifo no nyame kama kuma ne sa company ni nyina no omo ma ne samba back ne kana fa ne tuma fafla nyame sa we papa.
Hello, good afternoon. Hello. Maybe I shall within baby Afrefi.
Gideon, Barima, Asante.
Okay, Pacha meet you.
You over him. Kasa make an affair. Sankagama, a nipa near Wonoa, and Kaweni, about the year Juma, as a co pension. Uncle, all the pension pay. Now, I don't know. Send your money. Every na yeni de sin na obia tra batunia wo so oba be yo mani ye yento abama no na so to mani ye nkwala na eko school no ya ma ha na mantis factory kede na na wo na mantis no kede eliam sai na mantis factory no ewoi yegu enuma wo mani nyina obia so sori a also about the enuma ebebo manum na enuma na wo na yagu no eno de enya na it me srese se enya mfije bi esi anko a san si ebenya mfije bi oso san ya wo ka no me sraga na mpanifo omuntu mo ni ko enuma agu no a ni nyina na nipa ye mu eduma no omuntu mo di ko so na omuntu san fa enuma no emre bi
me pacho me da say.
Me da say so.
Hello, good afternoon. Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Sikapa.
Me pacho di ni baby Afrefi.
Sikapa pacho 49.
Okay, 49 pacho meet you.
Ni Ginkano. Aboso and me share Okrum Pap.
Of course, yeah, ba.
Sikapa.
Papa.
You did independent Ghana. Na ahomete sem ne say oba assignment na Sikapa ye wa dam ke ye da ha. Hwehwemu kaka me ye ne say 69 years ago ana Nkrumah eye sa dam no ene to assignment. Sikapa say ye no sebi na dwene pomu no oye na adwe say ye dan ya tema be fili 1 akoka 26 and I mean no kata tema yo come to 1 up to 26 ye wa sama ye wa fienya ye wa pronia enkura atwa dam we hu ahia no Sikapa enya asam ketwa me no kata dam ne da ho e ma dam no land a Nkrumah gyaye sebi yamfa nye farm she ene brabe China for ne DC brosign dam no Kwame Nkrumah ni so ade huru 69 years ago no se Ghana ye nidi no ya wa Ghana ha na ye maame mo efo ka so mo koto tomato nti ye koku nipa Ghana for makomako 8 eni wuye dam da ha dam no sebi ene ya yesi ye nimu nyansa computer word ni bia pa no ene dam no asase na Nkrumah gyaye no ye DC abrosan enya Ghana for so kura ni DC China for ene DC nti wa wo hwe de America ya na wa hu baby free adai
okay mpacha me da say me pacha ofra na wa wish obi a person wish no Independence Day na wa share our expectation say ebenya 70 years me fa last call na me the calls nesi. Hello
Sikapa.
Papa, good afternoon. We are my last caller.
Last caller.
Bacha, didn't baby Afrefi. Oh, okay. Bacha, meet you. Papa.
Yeah, me can say. At the form you know, your party, more broad for a was here. And there be your best struggle. Yet in America, Sikapa. Every last one, Ghana, 69 years. Because Kapama Browana was in the sea of Bob Boy, one you group of a sumo, my Ghana. Because in the Hokura, Tell me, Fanema or Dansuma and Amedeba Winiba. I could believe that the Capo Bay 4 hours. Chula boy, and Yasam Ketua. If you can, and yes, 9 years. Me and Casa leaders and all my others. I may only a booty, but you may not be out to us.
Okay, may that say. May the course no SC. Janet Oforiwa or say good afternoon to you, my Asamaikasi baby. You are doing well. I say happy birthday, Enkoma Onoaneba Jacqueline Ewabia or say. Okay, so Jacqueline Ewabia or say happy birthday, Cassia Enkoma way free wow, Mammy Janet Oforiwa or say odo ye papa Nyankopon on shroud now on your Cassia. We're free, Stephen. I yet or say happy Independence Day to you all. Masterpiece, a happy Independence Day to you and your team, Adwoa Sika.
My darling.
Also, Irish, the entire members of House of DL Fan Club. Nititiuni Linda Opoku, aka Eyelizio. Owusia, aka Maya Sanson, a Hayford or Hine Kweku. Ene and baby. We free Master P. Honum and our Wishimuni na Independence Day. Independence Day and come Ghana for Nina. Omo my muni omo manonini na. In fact, a bus and crop or mine be a dear Independence Day. Ghana ye number 1. Just answer ye basic match in Mukrampo no not just social media baby and I ye trendy. Ye trendy ye papa. Naka Jesse bought me at 3.5. Ghana Jesse ya to be 3.5. And your Independence Day Naka Jesse Crampo the water ya 35-50 cedis. Now so when they told Jesse 3.5 now your customization crowd and none in number 600 cedis. Ghana for my year papa. Bibi acha some we are proud, some we are Ghanaian. My bomb home day. Penny John Dramani Mahamed ni so de maye. Eye Kwame Nkrumah so ani aso G ye freedom medema ye no. Ma chere say adwuma na obo ye no mani so. Maya de papa.
Telling me what I owe you. Telling me what you wanted me to give you. My darling. What is it that I told you?
Emra ya do it near the Krekremu mid-morning, a year holiday edition no Enquiries. Na DJ Omarion and a boy no Edemayo no and a DJ. Sansona Belinda Ewo MC share say ba Facebook ni YouTube bibia betimi akosuye. Nichia kesia enkomo dobro ni sanso ana erekria Hayford. Me mamuni na Independence Day. Me a me di jumedie ebe somo. Me diane Adwoa Agyei Sika. Me sorry sweetie na DJ Omarion. Eddie or back-to-back music. And a day bremo. Inti amamu you me fidie no enfe free hand mo fen to esan said D or back-to-back and a day bremo from 1 year ecosystem 3 bebo. Na eye Angel Michael at the drive time no at the abremo. Message Bakubi Abetomo free no man calling. I say happy Independence Day to all the fans of DLFM. Stephen Ayite Teto si o we ne wife Gladys Ewuku happy birthday. Nyankopon Shano anonya ne kese. Mrs. Gladys Ewuku. Uknu se odo ye papa. So one team in Kebio one na DJ or Marion LD or back-to-back music no Ede Bremo. Medamuni na se some be come home. Na me de kwekwemu mid-morning holiday edition no Ede Bremo. What is it that they told? Medamuni na se.